The main character of this week's Parsha, Korach, is introduced to us in somewhat of an unusual way. The Torah feels the need to trace his lineage all the way back to Levi, the son of Yaakov. What makes this more peculiar, as pointed out by the Mefarshim, is that while the Torah is going all the way back and tracing his generations so far back, why does it stop at Levi? Why does it not go a step further and mention the fact that Levi was also the son of Yaakov Avinu? The Mefarshim give different answers to this question, but I once heard a beautiful idea, a beautiful insight, that explains to us why it is that the Torah felt it was so difficult, it was impossible to actually mention Yaakov in the context of Korach. If we think back to Yaakov Avinu's life, there was one major contribution that we cannot overlook. Yaakov Avinu, on his deathbed, blessed each and every one of his sons, blessed the 12 Shvatim, and through those brachos it became clear that each Shevet had a particular strength, a particular contribution to be made to the Klal Yisrael. In short, what Yaakov Avinu was telling his children on his deathbed is that each person has their own role to play in the legacy of the Jewish people. And that's exactly the point that Korach didn't understand. That's exactly what Korach messed up, what he missed. He was missing the Yaakov Avinu as part of his legacy. That was the part of his ancestry that was gone. Because Korach didn't understand that not everyone was destined to be a Moshe Rabbeinu or to be an Aharon HaKohen. Korach didn't understand that each person had their own role. And so the Torah highlights this, emphasizing that Yaakov was not part of that ancestry when it mentions his legacy in the Torah. The message for us is clear, that each one of us has to be empowered to realize that each one of us play our own role, have our own contributions to make, and we should learn from the mistakes of Korach that we should actualize our potential, enhancing all of Klal Yisrael through our unique contributions. Good Shabbos.